Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to our Storytime Podcast, where we share tales full of wisdom, kindness, and imagination. Today's story is about hope, kindness, and the power of helping others. It's called The Lanternfish Who Brought the Light. So relax, listen closely, and let's begin. Far beneath the waves, in a part of the ocean where the sun never reached, lived a little lanternfish named Lyra. Her body was small and silver, but from her head grew a tiny glowing light. It was not very bright, just enough to shine a circle around her as she swam. Other sea creatures teased her. "Why carry a light when everything is dark?" the crab said. "Your glow is too small to matter," laughed the eels. Lyra lowered her fins sadly, but in her heart she whispered, "Even a small light has meaning." One evening, while drifting through the deep sea, Lyra noticed shadows moving strangely. The water trembled, and soon the ocean grew darker than ever before. A giant cloud of black ink spread across the deep, released by a frightened squid. The fish panicked. They bumped into each other, unable to see. The crabs hid in the sand. Even the wise old turtle swam in circles, lost. "Help! We can't see!" cried the shrimp. Lyra looked at her small glow. "It's not much, but maybe it's enough," she thought. She swam to the middle of the frightened creatures, lifted her tiny lantern, and shone her light. The others gathered close. "I can see! I can see again!" they cheered. Her light was small, but together they swam safely out of the dark ink cloud. From that day on, the sea creatures began to follow Lyra whenever things grew dark. She led them through caves, past rocky cliffs, and even helped a lost whale calf find its mother. Still, some doubted her. "Your light is only useful down here in the dark," sneered an octopus. "The great ocean is too big for you." But Lyra didn't listen. She kept swimming, sharing her glow whenever it was needed. One night, she swam higher than ever before. She broke through the surface of the water and gasped. Above her was the moon, glowing bright, and millions of stars twinkling like her own lantern, but far greater. Her heart filled with wonder. "So my light is part of something bigger," she whispered. One day, a terrible storm shook the sea. Waves rose like mountains, and strong currents dragged smaller fish into dangerous whirlpools. "Help! We're being pulled away!" cried the little fish. The bigger creatures tried, but the storm was too strong. The water grew darker, filled with foam and shadows. Lyra's light flickered in fear. "What can one small glow do against the storm?" she thought. Then she remembered her first words. "Even a small light has meaning." She swam into the storm, her lantern glowing steady. The fish saw her light and followed. She guided them between the crashing waves, leading them to the safety of a calm cave. Exhausted but smiling, Lyra rested as the creatures thanked her. "Without you, we would have been lost. Your little light saved us." After the storm, the creatures of the deep no longer mocked Lyra. They respected her, not because her light was the biggest, but because she had used it to help others. The wise old turtle said, "In darkness, even the smallest light shines like the sun." You remind us that every gift, no matter how small, can change the world. From then on, whenever the ocean grew dark, the creatures looked for Lyra's glow. It was a promise of hope, guiding them safely through the unknown. And if you ever look at the sea on a dark night, you might see a tiny glow flickering below the waves. That is Lyra, the lanternfish who brought the light. Thank you for listening to The Lanternfish Who Brought the Light. We hope Lyra's story reminds you that no matter how small your gift may seem, it can make the world brighter when shared. If you enjoyed this story, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tales. Until next time, keep shining your light.